bring you a 3-minute digest of what happened in China's business sector. This is China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Lee. Our top stories today. As central China's Henan province ravaged by record rainstorms, President Xi Jinping has urged all-out effort to carry out flood prevention and rescue work to protect people's lives and property, requiring officials at various levels to work on the front line to speedily mobilize all available resources in an instruction released on Wednesday. The Ministry of Emergency Management has dispatched 1,800 firefighters from nearby regions to support disaster relief work. The Ministry of Finance on Wednesday earmarked 100 million yuan of disaster relief funds for Henan. Residents have also volunteered to take part in rescue efforts in Zhengzhou, providing shelters and supplies to people trapped in different areas. Death toll rose to 33 on Thursday morning, with 8 still missing as rescue continues today. More than 3 million people have been affected. Henan's meteorological station continued the issuance of a red alert for heavy rain at 7:50 a.m. Thursday. China's National Development and Reform Commission and the National Food and Strategic Reserves Administration said Wednesday that the country will release another batch of national reserves, including copper, aluminum, and zinc. Some 30,000 tons of copper, 90,000 tons of aluminum, and 50,000 tons of zinc will be released from the national reserves in late July. The Ministry of Human Resources and Social Security on Thursday said by the end of June, all provinces have started entrusted investment of Basic Pension Fund of 2021. The total amount of the entrusted fund reached 1.25 trillion yuan, receiving 1.09 trillion yuan in investment revenue. Update on COVID-19. Chinese mainland recorded 12 new local cases yesterday, 1 in Yunnan province and 11 in Jiangsu province. Nanjing, which has a population of more than 9.3 million, carried out citywide nucleic acid testing starting Wednesday. China hopes the World Health Organization will genuinely treat the COVID-19 origin tracing work as a scientific issue, get rid of political interference, and actively and prudently promote the tracing work to be carried out continuously in multiple countries and regions around the globe, said the senior official of the National Health Commission on Thursday. At the same time, the Foreign Ministry demanded on Wednesday that the United States show transparency and conduct a thorough investigation into its Fort Detrick laboratory and other biological labs overseas over the origins of COVID-19. CPC leads a century's progress. Under the leadership of the CPC, China has built the world's largest social security system, a multi-level and sustainable social security system covering urban and rural residents has basically been established. The first regulation in the field of social security, the labor insurance regulations, was enacted in 1951, and the social insurance law was implemented in 2011 as China's social security legal system improved. In 1951, the number of employees with labor insurance was only 2.69 million, but by the end of March 2021, the number of people covered by basic pension insurance exceeded 1 billion, and the number of people covered by basic medical insurance reached 1.3 billion. The number of people covered by unemployment insurance and work-related injuries reached 218 million and 267 million respectively. Next on industry and company news, China's software and information technology sector maintained its growth momentum in the first half of 2021, official data shows. The sector's combined software revenue rose 23.2% year-on-year to 4.42 trillion yuan in the January to June period. The growth rate fell to 3.3% from its level in the first quarter. During the same period, companies in the sector raked in 499.9 billion yuan in total profit, up 13.6% year-on-year, according to the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. Ferrari Future, or FF, on Wednesday said it completed its previously announced business combination with blank check company Property Solutions Acquisition Corporation. adding that shares of the combined company are expected to begin trading July 22 on Nasdaq, with Evergrande Vehicle holds 20% of its shares. A document submitted by FF to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on July 15 showed that one of its cornerstone investors, who originally planned to invest $175 million, will not hold shares of FF. Sources say the aforementioned investor was the Zhuhai State-owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission. China's real estate giant Evergrande Group on Thursday announced that it has properly resolved issues with China Guangfa Bank in recent civil rulings on property preservation before litigation. Stock price of Evergrande surged 7.87% today, closing at 7.8 Hong Kong dollars. And wrapping up with a quick look at the stock market. Chinese stocks closed higher on Thursday with a benchmark Shanghai Composite Index up 0.34% at 3,574 points. The Shenzhen Component Index closed 0.33% higher at 15,262 points. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow on China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Goodbye.